Hey guys, running Kimono here. So I went and got my mail yesterday, and Coupon John sent a huge blessing of inserts. So I thought it would be really fun in the spirit of Thanksgiving, and just this time when we're somewhat reflective and grateful, to give some of these to you guys. And we'll talk about how to enter here in a quick second. But special shout out and thank you to Coupon John. He's down there in Florida, and they don't have it easy over there with everything going on in the world. And for him to take some time out of his day and to send these off, like, I'm very grateful. And I'm going to be sending them off to a couple of you. So John, thank you so much. Very grateful that you would even think of my channel to do this for some people. And I know a lot of you struggle to find inserts, and it's been a really hard year. So I'm very happy to share this with you guys. So that's what I'm going to do. All the inserts he sent, dividing it into 2 packages, and I'm going to be sending them off on Monday. So it's very easy how to enter. We'll talk about that in a second, but some of the highlighted coupons include the $1 for the Nutella, the 50-cent for the Clorox, and just to make things a little interesting, I'm going to throw in a $20 Dollar General gift card to one of you. So if you want to do a 5 off of 25 one of these Saturdays, hey, present this and I will pay for your haul of $25 of merch. So it doesn't get any better than that, or if you just want to pick up your balance for a couple different hauls. Just a little something for me to say thank you to you guys, because I'm very grateful to all of my wonderful subscribers. So how to enter this is you got to be a subscriber to the channel. I would like to know in the comments what you're grateful for, and then where you're from. So for example, to this, just write, say you're grateful for your family, write my family, and say you're from Columbus, Ohio, you would write Columbus, Ohio. So your entry in the comments would be my family, Columbus, Ohio, whatever you're grateful for. 1 entry per person, and then the winners will be picked on Monday. And randomly, that person for the $20 gift card, I will just pick one of the 2 and just throw it in with the inserts. The winners will be picked on Monday, November the 30th. So on this video at the very top, I will pin the 2 winners' names. So good luck, guys. And this is also 100% free to enter. I know there's a lot of funny business going on over on Instagram where people are asked to pay for shipping or whatever. All of this is covered, so you do not have to pay a cent. And if you ever enter a contest where you're asked to pay money or for shipping or whatever, something's funny there, guys. Just throwing that in your back pocket, because I know a lot of you might be new to this or entering a contest on Instagram or Facebook or here on YouTube, but it should be 100% covered for shipping. I'm just throwing it out there in case some of you are just like, I won, and now I have to pay $700 for the shipping. No, you don't. It should always be for free. So good luck for that. And I'm very grateful for this wonderful community we have on YouTube here on my channel. And John, most appreciated. Whenever he has extra inserts, he will float some up to me. And whenever, just the fact that he would even remember to do this, like, it's so kind and generous. And it's just the kind of person that he is. And he's kind of like Santa Claus, because he's like, you don't even have to say my name. But I really wanted to take this opportunity to thank him. Since the summertime, he knows the struggle because he reads a lot of the comments, and he just wanted to do this to help out in the spirit of Thanksgiving. So it is much, much, much appreciated, and it's going to bless some people. I know a lot of you do baking or even stuff for the house, like, Clorox. There's a lot of great coupons in this one, and a couple candy coupons as well too. Sorry I didn't go through this insert page by page. I just kind of pressed for time here because I'm living at Rite Aid this weekend. So as always, thanks for watching. Enter, and I will catch you guys in the next one. And again, John, thank you. Bye, guys.